Hey boys and girls, welcome back to school. This is Miss Williams. This is our math time and this is our video lesson. For math time today we will begin learning about kindergarten math. We will use the student workbook called Origo Stepping Stones. It looks like this. Yours is on paper. We copied just a few of the pages, so if you picked up your sack or bag, it has the math papers workbook pages copied for you. Today we will be learning about counting from 1 to 5. We will look at sets of objects or groups of objects from 1 to 5. Do you know how to count from 1 to 5? You can count out loud for me. Let someone listen to see if you are correct. Now let's practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can practice a few more times. Now you can count to 5 all by yourself. Do you know how to count backwards from 5 to 1? You count out loud for me. Let someone listen to see if you're correct. Now let's practice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can do it all by yourself. Let's practice in walking up the steps and count to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's practice walking down the steps, counting backwards to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Here's a poem from our Origo math program, and you're going to get to stand up and act it out. So go ahead and stand up as I read the poem, and then you can do the movements. 1, 1, rabbit, run, hop 1 time. 2, 2, kangaroo, jump twice. That means jump 2 times. 3, 3, busy bee, buzz 3 times. 4, 4, lions roar, open mouth with a roar. Can you roar 4 times? 5, 5, I can jive, wiggle and dance to 5. Can you wiggle and dance 5 times? See if your family can do the poem with you and practice counting and acting out the number poem. See if you can find the number words in the sentences. Let's look at groups or sets of objects. Can you count groups of 1 to 5? Show how many fingers you need to hold up to match the pictures on the next slide. Can you show me 1? Can you show me 3? Can you show me 5? Can you show me 2? Can you show me 4? So that's the numbers, but showing in a representation of a picture. So we used our fingers to show what each number looked like. So now we're going to look at some pictures and see if you can figure out how many fingers to show. Here are some pictures I have. I have an airplane. I have some solid shapes. I have some books, Navy jets, and apples. Hopefully you can see them well. With your fingers, show me how many airplanes there are. With your finger, show me how many apples there are. How many shapes are there? How many Navy jets are there? How many books are there? Okay, and then you can look at this slide again and practice with your fingers. You can also use objects you have at home. Maybe you have a collection of rocks, collection of cars, maybe you have a collection of money or buttons. You can match the pictures that are on the slide with what you have at home and use the objects to match. Also, you can draw the pictures that are on the slide and you can label the pictures you draw. You can draw 5 apples and write the number 5. If you know how to spell or sound out words, you can try to write the word 5 or see if someone will help you write the number words. So you could write the number, the picture, and the number words to match. So if I was looking at the airplane, how many airplanes? 1. How many of the shapes? 3. How many apples? 5. How many jets? 2. How many books? 4. What's your favorite number? Now you will work on your workbook. The page is at the top corner for the page number 1.1a and 1.1b. Or at the bottom it will say 1 and 3. Students will cut out the animals and glue them in groups on the second page. How many animals did you put in each group? Did you use all the animals? Which group is the smallest? Which group is the largest? The pages will look like this. It has animals to cut out and glue. They will glue them on this page, and they can pick where they want to glue their animals, and they can pick how they want to sort them in different groups. Just make sure and count. Make sure and write the number for how many you did in each group also. Next, I have a few counting videos. I will, if you're not able to click them since I'm recording this video, I'll link them in Google Classroom where you can listen to the videos. I will play one of the videos for you to listen to now, and then I'll link them in Google Classroom.
Shapes. Let's learn our shapes. Oval, triangle, circle, square, star, circle, square, triangle, oval, star. Let's count our shapes. 1. 1 oval. 1, 2. 2 triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Circle, square, triangle, oval, star. Again. 1. 1 oval. 1, 2. 2 triangles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Circle, square, triangle, oval, star. Great job!
Okay, so that's one of the videos. Also, I have 5 little fish where they can practice counting, and it shows the number of fish with the numbers. So just let them practice counting correctly to 5 and being able to show each number with pictures in groups or sets. Thank you.